Inside the heart lives an entire community of cells. Each type has a different job, but together they keep the heart alive and beating. These muscle cells generate the force of every heartbeat. They shorten together rhythmically, pushing blood through the body without stopping. Pacemaker cells create electrical rhythms automatically. They act like the natural clock of the heart, starting each heartbeat again and again. Electrical signals travel through specialized conducting cells. This allows the entire heart to contract in a coordinated and efficient way. Fibroblasts support the heart structure and help repair damaged tissue. They maintain the framework that holds the heart together. Endothelial cells line the blood vessels smoothly. They help control blood flow, oxygen delivery, and communication inside the heart. Immune cells protect the heart from damage and infection. They remove injured material and help coordinate tissue repair. Heart cells communicate through tiny connections called gap junctions. Electrical signals move directly from cell to cell, allowing billions of cells to beat together as one system. The heartbeat is not produced by one cell alone. It emerges from cooperation among billions of living cells working together continuously.